Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing? Are we ready to go through the spiritual journey and rediscover the light from the shadows with Master O?
I do meditation, and the results are impressive to me.
We are spiritual beings. It's a fantastic tool. A lot of doctors are proposing to count on meditation as a therapy.
I mean, there's a mental health crisis going on, and I think a spiritual revolution is the only real answer to that.
We are spiritual beings, so we connect to a source of life. I'm teaching people how to stay with our essence, which is pure light, the love energy. And more important, that I can do something for people that make me so grateful.
We're all searching for answers. We're searching for wellness. Over the next 83 minutes, we're going to see the works of Master O. Thank you so much. Enjoy the film. Thank you. I was saying to somebody in the ladies that sometimes when you're in a relationship, love is not enough. And I think that we're all searching for something a little bit higher at the moment. We're all searching for answers. We're searching for wellness. So over the next 83 minutes, we're going to see the works of Master O. Please do not leave once the film is over, because there is going to be a discussion. Thank you so much. Enjoy the film. Thank you.
In my early age, I started to feel something people couldn't see, something people couldn't feel, something they couldn't hear, the energy, the vibration.
But when we talk about our understanding of the universe, really we're only talking about 5% of the content of the universe.
The mind of a universe create all the life with a very specific vibration.
He knows everything there is to know about vibration, and the highest vibration that we need to tap into.
When I giving the treatment to the people, I feel what they're going through.
My stomach had stopped working and I couldn't eat. Within 4 days of coming here and having treatments on my stomach, I could eat. I'm very grateful and I'm very happy, and I just came to the right place.
People are carrying the karma or energy vibration from previous generations.
The ancestors who created the descendant, they have the same vibration.
I felt uplifted. I felt quite empowered.
His compassion just shines through, and absolutely love his energy. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Very much enjoyed the film.
I want to see it again because there was so much in it.
I was so moved. I almost cried several times.
I thought the movie was amazing. I love the way that the movie went into different nations, experiencing all the same things.
It really opens your heart and see the world and the universe in a really deep and beautiful way.
I was blown away. I loved it.
Master O, if I may start with you, what is this burning life mission, this passion? Why did you feel it was really important to share this journey, to share this knowledge?
Well, I believe we have to be happy and healthy, but somehow, yeah, we've been carrying so much the problems and the issues. So, yeah, my mission has been share the vibration from the universe. I believe we are designed to connect to the physical world, nature, and we designed to connect to a source of life. And from my experience, if people receive what they need physically, spiritually, visibly, all they have the perfect system deal with any problems they've been creating during their life or from past lives. So I have the great mission to help the people how to connect the source of life, help them to become best receiver and the giver as a human beings.
Thank you. Now, Mikhail, you are the producer, and I believe this. Now, is this your first production? What's your background in terms of production?
Well, I've been doing advertisement during my last 20 years professionally, and as a film production, yes, this is my first.
Your first?
Yeah.
So what drew you, as you say, you've been doing film production for quite a few years, what drew you to this subject matter? And what did you get out of this in the journey of producing it?
Has a few times to explain that, but so you have met Master already, and I think that he's amazing. Not just a person, also how he can transmit his knowledge. So when I met Master almost 2 years ago, 2 years and a half ago, I was struggling also with my multinational company worldwide, dealing with work and many clients, and then I find out that there is something else in our lives that we find out inner answers. So we decided to do something with that. Nowadays, society is struggling with many problems, not just this darkness, but different countries' presidents talking about wars and other stuff. I think that he's some kind of light that is offering us to find out some solutions. So I found out that for myself, and we decided we needed to share that with the rest of the world. And it's some kind of gratitude thing for life itself, to share his knowledge through his vision and the vision of different science and doctors about this.
Directed this project. Give me a bit of a background of the work that you have done and how you were enlightened by working on this film.
Okay, it has been a very nice journey. It's very easy to work with Master O. It's very easy to understand him, and it's very easy to believe in him. So my personal idea of this project is to demonstrate why in the world there is a tangible wave of spirituality, and how the spirituality can change the world. So when you meet Master O, it represents very well this kind of new spirituality that personally I believe that can do a better world.
One of the things that I did notice was the different nationalities in the film, and the one message that was going through all those nationalities. We want peace, we want to be in a place of not balancing the dark and the light, the shadows and the light. We want to aim for the light, don't we? But although we do need a shadow in order to appreciate the light.
Yeah, we are living in the world, the place of the darkness and the light. Two worlds coexist. So this is the bright world, bright state of the mind, connected to our essence, the source of the life. So, and when you see the darkness and the pain and the problems, that really like give the message for you, give the opportunities for us to be able to embrace, give what the darkness, the pain and the problems that need. That way, everything, the healing takes place, and we really want to achieve the state of the balance of darkness and the light. And when we achieve that, we have a real meaning of the life. And everybody have the sense of the mission to create that. Want everybody stay of the real perfect, the harmony of two things. So yeah, but that's why when I look at the people, I can see people struggling so much, mentally, emotionally, physically, is coming from state of unbalance. And when that happens, people, they don't know what to do, but they're really longing, searching for the method to regain the balance. I believe we have a beautiful nature inside. Stay with our essence, stay with the source of life.
If I could ask one more question each? Okay. What I noticed as well was the words stress, anxiety, burnout, and I think at some point we've all experienced that. And whilst I'm not against saying, you know, get medication, it didn't seem as though that was the first task, the first area that people went to. Something simple like breathing was featured quite a lot in the film. So Mikkel, let me just ask you then, in terms of some of the ways that we can release ourselves, did you find that breathing helped? Did you find that the meditations helped?
A lot. Yeah, truly. I didn't meditate before. So once I met Master also and this practice, I started to do that meditation, and it really helps.
Were you doing that during the filming as well? Did it help you during the filming?
Well, we didn't sleep too much because we didn't have enough time to follow Master Rock. It was jumping from city to city, country to country. It was so complicated, but we tried.
And I noticed as well, Jose, at the retreats, the anxiety and the depression, it all lifted. And even though you're working on this project, obviously you're immersed in the spirit side of it all, aren't you? So your spirit's lifted as well, I'm assuming.
You need to take care about your spirit because it's in the base of everything. I mean, doesn't matter the body if you don't take care of your spirit, I'm sure. Up to now, I'm sure.
And finally, one of the things that you did say, Master O, quite early on in the film, which I made notes of, when you have empty hands, your mind is more sincere.
Yeah.
I loved that. I loved that.
Yeah. You say that when you don't have anything, you have to believe in something. What do you believe in? And everybody believes in the different things. When you don't have anything, but when you don't have anything, you have to believe in the something you have. I believe when I don't have anything, I believe I have to have a sincere heart, open heart. When I have that, then I have a right intention. When I have a right intention to help the people, we are guided. So I believe in this more than anything else.
And of course, Master O. Thank you so much. My name is Angie Breeze from Smooth Radio. It has been a pleasure to be your host this evening. Please do stick around. The bar's open until 11 o'clock. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Smile.